Hi, Lucky. Hi, Plucky. Welcome to my farm. I built it myself in my mother's backyard because I live in an apartment. These are my Cayugas. Oh, sorry, babies. No, come here, come here, come here. Oh, okay. Got one, got one. Okay. Out, out, stop, stop. Okay, so this is Lucky Duck. This is Lucky. She's beautiful Cayuga. I know you're mad. Yeah, you're mad. They're sweet once they calm down. There we go. And this is Plucky. Named after the Tiny Toons, both of them. Plucky, unfortunately, had an incident involving a rose bush. Right here on the foot, you could see a scar. Well, probably not, but there's a scar here. Little Plucky here got stuck on a rose bush. Ow, okay, okay, ow, ow. And, yeah, almost cut her toe off. Okay, okay, fine. She almost cut her toe off. And thanks to me and my family, she was able to recover and regrow the skin that was torn. According to animal control, local here in Colorado Springs, no other human would have done that for their duck. So it seems that we did go above and beyond for our duck. It's just a shame that our fellow man would do the same. So, yeah. Here is the birds in their coop. This is Whoop Chicken coming on up. This is Lovey over here. You make sure they're both in frame. Perfection. Hi, Lovey. No, stop. Hi. This is Lovey. Sweet baby. My baby sister's chicken. Has a little beard. Loves to fly. For some weird reason. We got a lion's mane rabbit living in here as well. Somewhere. Let's go find her. Mary Hoppins. The name was my sister's, by the way. Well, her choice anyway. We're gonna check through here real quick. Oh, there she is. Hi, Mary Hoppins. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi. We'll leave her be. Lovey's wanting some attention. Hi, Lovey. There's Whoop Chicken taking a little snooze. Oh, hi, baby. Hi. Hi, how are you? Here's my ducks. I don't know if you could see that green. I'm gonna go ahead and try to zoom in on that. Looks kind of all right there. Hey, babies. That quackies. Oh. Okay, so that would be the tarp here. Yeah, we're definitely gonna have to figure out a way to tie that down. There is no way that this coop or bird area is going to fly away. It is anchored and buried in trenches under the ground. So, yeah, no, there's no way this thing is going anywhere, no matter how much wind force you put on it. Oh, look, there's the blue in the wings. Hi, babies. Hi. Who's my pretty duck eight?